Hello everyone. In this video, we will prepare and then install your Delta L Plus sensor on a solid surface. Before installing your sensor, you must first connect the battery. Start by removing the cover of the Delta L Plus using a PH1 screwdriver. Next, remove the battery, then plug in the connector, making sure to align the keying tab correctly without worrying about the wire colors. Carefully note the serial number indicated inside the sensor. You will need it later to connect the sensor to the app. Screw the cover back on, making sure to align the arrows. Be careful, only tighten it by hand to avoid any risk of damaging the sensor. You can then install the connection cover. Replace the second connection cover with the one provided in the pack. Add and configure the sensor in the app before going to the installation site. Please note, to add your Linkfeel token and take advantage of remote connection, you must be connected to the sensor via Bluetooth to activate it. You can refer to the video Add My Linkfeel token available on YouTube or via the link in the description. Your sensor is now connected and configured. Now let's move on to installing your sensor on the structure. Mark points 8 centimeters on either side of the crack. Drill to a depth of about 4 centimeters and make sure to thoroughly remove the dust using the air blower. Insert the concrete anchors with sleeves and tighten them along the axis of the hole using a 13mm wrench. Insert the screws and nuts into the sensor's ball joints. Finally, install your sensor onto the anchor bridges, making sure that the Delta L Plus logo is facing outward. Tighten the nuts with a 10mm wrench. Your sensor is now connected, configured, prepared, and installed. Great job on your mission.